are the individuals and organizations that are on the front line of materials performance and protection, particularly in corrosion mitigation and control.
I've always wanted to be part of an organization that had an impact. AMP is definitely making an impact on corrosion, working with regulators and asset owners to understand the dangers of corrosion and how there was a whole fleet of people rallied around the charge of fighting corrosion on a global basis.
What brought me to AMP really is making a positive impact on society. Sometimes when you're kind of in that nitty-gritty, you forget the true impact of the organization. So it's great to kind of take a step back and remember that our work is truly saving lives.
The thing I'm most proud about being a part of AMP is the teamwork. I do think that we all really, I'm like getting emotional. We all do really want to do what's best for the member, for the customer.
It was more of a stepping stone sort of job, but then I fell in love with the company, and I think I really fell in love with the people there. And it's hard to believe that I've been around for as long as I have been, but really it's the people that keep me here.
I love the relationship building, the smiles on the faces, the members' lives we touch, and the passion just staff has in general for the industry and the community that we serve.
Everybody is there to work together and to help each other out. The staff and also the members, they're wonderful to work with. They always are quick to help you.
I love the diversity of ages, of countries. It's a really great company to work for that allows growth and opportunity.
I've been fortunate to be CEO for a long time, and I can say with all honesty, I've never seen a group of people that are more dedicated to a cause, to a mission, to a company than these.
It's just great to feel like you're a part of something great.
AMP is definitely making an impact.
What starts here changes the world.